Hello, everyone, and welcome to Counterbuzz. I'm Greg Rosink, and joining me today to talk about our fantastic new online training certificate program is Jeff Falk. Hey, Jeff, thanks for joining me today.
Hi, Greg. Thanks for having me.
Well, Jeff, the Irrigation Installation Fundamentals program has been in the works for quite a while now, and there's a lot of hype around it. I think it's time to spill the beans. Can you tell us a little bit about the program?
Yeah, absolutely. The Irrigation Installation Fundamentals is a video-based series where we follow contractors across really the U.S. in different installation techniques, and we show the proper way to install an irrigation system. We start from the very basics of an irrigation system overview, how to read the point of connection, all the way to the components on a plan. We take on site inspection, really how to do plan reading. We even go through a truck tour. We show the tools that should be on the truck and what you would use those tools for in an installation. Then we get into the very important components of trenching or pulling pipe, mainline and lateral installation, all the way, of course, to the pop-up sprinkler installation, head layout, and adjustments. We even get into some regional components like spring startup and winterization and flow meter installation. Of course, we do valve wiring and controller installation and controller programming. So it's really the beginning and end of an irrigation installation, and all video based in the field training.
Well, it sounds like this is packed full of some great information. Who is the training program intended for?
That's a good question. Really, this program has been built for crew members, although new to irrigation installations. We really wanted to give them a fundamental overview. That said, every territory you travel to really installs irrigation a little bit differently. And because this is so encompassing, I think even advanced or people who've been installing irrigation for a while will learn some new techniques and go, that's an interesting way to do it. Maybe I can incorporate that into my business. So there's a lot of techniques you'll find in here that really can help a contractor of any level. And I think any contractor or really distributor looking to understand more about the installation side of the business will come in and enjoy this course.
Awesome. Well, it sounds like we should get everybody involved.
Absolutely.
What sorts of problems or industry challenges do we hope to address or resolve with this certificate program?
Well, the last few years, we've really heard labor shortage is the biggest problem in our industry. And this course really is focused on being an onboarding course to help contractors get up to speed quicker and learn faster. And really, once they've got that expertise, it retains them in the industry to stay longer in our industry. So, really, we look at contractor owners to build this into their onboarding of crew members and help us solve the labor shortage by bringing more education into our industry.
Well, that's definitely going to be huge for our industry. Do you think our contractor business owners and some of our distributor partners, do you think they'll incorporate this series into maybe an incentivized learning or onboarding program?
Absolutely. And, I work with contractor owners all the time. That was the key focus of this program. Contractors that really are focused on the labor issue are focused on incentivizing contractors. And so, really, a lot of times they have this is your 2 week incentive. Is you can show up to work every day and get your irrigation installation fundamentals. I'm going to give you a bonus on your first paycheck. And then they're doing second incentivizations at 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days. And so Hunter has some additional courses that they can add into those incentivized onboarding. So we've got our product technician certificate. We've got our irrigation design certificate. So they can get kind of here's your 14 days, 30 days, 60 days incentives. And of course, each contractor owner will have their own incentives where it's showing up to work every day on time, or it's doing your first valve manifold installation and making sure it's correct within 30 days, incentivizing them for the different components that they want. And Hunter really wants to be a best partner on this and help bring contractor owners tools that they can help run their business and keep them going better with keeping their labor on.
Well, I can definitely say that that is clear across the industry. Some of the business owners I've been talking to have said that the incentives really help keep the employees longer. Monetary is great, but they also say that adding that educational piece and giving the opportunity for education is a big driver in employee retention. So let's finish this up with one last question. And I think this is the question that everyone's asking is, how do our friends watching Counterbuzz right now find the program and start earning their installation technician certificate?
Absolutely. It's available now at Hunter University, which is training.hunterindustries.com. If you click the contractor button, you'll see all the certificates that we have for contractors, and this will be the first certificate on that line. If you click the distributor tab, you'll see it there as well, and it'll be a little lower down the training side there. So training.hunterindustries or Hunter University.
Thanks for stopping by, Jeff. Really appreciate the information today.
Thanks, Greg. Appreciate the time, and I appreciate everybody watching, partnering with Hunter.
Well, there you have it, folks. Head over to Hunter University at training.hunterindustries.com. Click on the Irrigation Certificates tab or that Contractors tab at the top of your screen and start earning your installation technician certificate today. Again, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next episode of Counterbuzz.